For Rule 1, if you have the same number bases, add the exponents to get your answer. For Rule 2, if you have a negative exponent, put 1 as your placeholder and the exponent and the base on the bottom. Any exponent of 0 equals 1. Rule 4 states, when your exponent is a fraction, your base is square rooted by the denominator and the numerator goes outside the parentheses. Rule 5. When your exponent and base have an exponent, multiply the two exponents. Rule 6. When you have the same base in a fraction, subtract the exponent. The first step to example 1 is to use Rule 1. Add the exponents. Then, use Rule 3, and if your exponent is 0, your answer should be 1. For example 2, your first step would be to use Rule 5. Your second step would be to use Rule 3. For example 3, your first step is to use Rule 6. After you do the first step, you should get a negative exponent. With your negative exponent, you use Rule 2. For Rule 5, your first step is to use Rule 1 by adding the exponents. Once you add the exponents, you should get a fraction for an answer. Take your denominator, square root your base by the denominator, and put your numerator outside the parentheses. For example 6, your first step is to use Rule 5. Multiply your exponents inside the parentheses by the exponent outside. Then, if you have any negative exponents, make your placeholder, your bases, and positive exponents, and the negative exponent will go onto the bottom.